Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have a new Bella Beaute bar palette to share with you, and it is the Green Goddess palette. I love green. If y'all have watched me for a while, you know that green is definitely one of my favorite colors when it comes to makeup. And this palette has definitely caught my attention. I feel like we have like some murky greens in here. We also have that pop of peachy pink. We have some brown in here to anchor the looks, a little blue green action over here at the end. But this is going to be a 15 pan palette full of mattes and multi-chromes and duochromes. Not too sure on the price of this palette at the time that I'm filming, but if I can find the price, I will put it in the description box. I do have an affiliate code. It is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. Thank you to Bella Beaute Bar for sending me this palette in PR. There are also going to be some other things launching at or on April the 7th at 11 a.m. CST. There's going to be, I think, some highlighters and singles and lip glosses and stuff. I was sent the palette, and I'm very grateful that I was able to get it and try it. And I will be creating 2 looks for you guys, 2 complete looks, also with wear tests. And I think that's about all I got to say. If y'all want to see how the 2 looks, how the palette is going to perform, keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's dive into Green Goddess from Bella Beaute Bar. I cannot wait to try this out for you guys. It looks so cool. Look at all the beautiful green shades. Where are we going to start? I am a blank canvas today. I'm wearing black with red accessories. So I can pretty much go any which way with this palette. And I'm already drawing comparisons to this palette and the new Botanical Gardens palette from Beauty Bay, which I will be reviewing as soon as it arrives. So what I think I am leaning towards is I kind of want to bring in a little bit of like the orangey tones, pink, peachy tones, just to kind of tie in with my jewelry. So I think I'm going to start here with these 2 shade Growth and Femininity. So we'll do these 2 first, and then we'll probably work into the brown or the dark green. We'll see. And I'm taking the first shade on a Rephr 15. I'm just going to apply this in the transition area and work it on up towards the brow bone. That's a very light shade, at least on my skin tone. This one might appear darker maybe on a deeper skin tone, but on me, yeah, it's pretty much non-existent. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going in with that next shade. I'm placing this directly into the crease, also working it in the outer corner. I think this shade is going to be the perfect complement to my look today. Accessory wise, okay, I think we have a very beautiful, easy blend going on so far. These 2 matte shades, perfection. They're performing really, really well. I'm going to clean off this Rephr 13 brush, and then I think I am going to dip into the darker brown shade down here. This one is called Goddess. And of course, we will focus that on the outer corner. I cannot wait to start. Look at that pigment. Oh my goodness. But I cannot wait to start playing with some of these shimmer shadows. It's going to be so much fun. I want to take that shade too high up. Just really kind of just little circles right out here in the corner. Now I'm going to bring back that second shade, that reddish shade, because I feel it kind of got lost. That's usually what happens when we apply a darker shade and it kind of gets away from us. So I'm just bringing some of that red back. And just kind of clean up the edges with my little powder puff. Okay, I think, oops, right here. I got some fallout. Let's see if I can take that off. Okay, I think I did the best I could with kind of removing some of that fallout. Let's do something now for the lower the lower lash line. And I think I want to do something a little bit lighter. Maybe something like this shade right here, Wisdom. Taking that on my What's a Beauty R107. Now I'm going to go in with my Moira glitter primer and I'm going to apply that to the lids. And I'm just using my Refer 02 Mini to apply. Okay, so now I think I'm going to pick up this shade right here. And I'm going to apply it all over. The shade is called Balance. And let's see what Balance gives us. Especially on top of that red. I kind of wanted to go in with another shade. And I think I will. I picked up way too much on this side, so I might get a little bit of fallout over here. But look at how beautiful that sparkles. I love Bella Beaute Bar's formula. I think they have simply one of the best. So I'm gonna clean off this brush, flip it around, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. We're kind of just staying, if you notice, within this little, these two columns here, Enchant. And I am going to spray it just because I feel like I need to have it adhere a little bit better to the brush. And that's going to go out this way. Oh yeah, beautiful. Just love sparkly eyeshadows so much. Sometimes I don't always get to do them as often as I would like, but this week I get to play with them. Yesterday I was so simple at work. All I did was a tinted moisturizer, blush, bronzer, and for my eyes, just some mascara and some blue eyeliner in the lower waterline, and that was it. Simplicity at its best. We need a little something. Let me grab my What's Up Beauty brush. I want to do a little pop, a little something, maybe a little green, because you guys know how I feel about green. Let's try this shade right here for the inner corner. This looks so fun, and I am going to spray the brush. Oh, and that looks gold. Oh, that is definitely like a duo multichrome. I don't know the exact makeup of this palette just yet. It has not, when I'm filming this, only the cover has been revealed. So the additional details have not. And I'm hoping they're going to be released maybe today. That way I can have my video up tomorrow, which would be Wednesday. But we'll see. We have to wait for the brand to release first. But I am going to pop off camera, take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1 with Green Goddess from Bella Beaute Bar. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1 with Green Goddess from Bella Beaute Bar. Let me tell you what I added. I did a little Essence black eyeliner on the top lash line, another Essence product. This is their Lash Like a Boss in the lime green tube. Love this mascara. For the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Cosmic Yellow. I love the way this look turned out. If you're curious about the lipstick that I'm wearing, it is a vinyl ink from Maybelline in the shade 130 Extra. In case I forget to put it in the description box, now you know what I'm wearing. I am off to work. I will do a check-in when I get home, let you see how this wore for, actually I have an event after work, so it could be 12, 14 hours today. We shall see, but I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Have a blessed day. Hey guys, so this is the 12-hour check-in with this eye look from Bella Beaute Bar. This is a Green Goddess palette, and I absolutely love it. It is on point, just a little bit, like a little teeny bit of fallout, but no creasing. It's vibrant, it's beautiful. I got a ton of compliments, and so far I am loving this palette, but let's start creating look number 2 right now. Okay guys, so let's get started with look number 2 with Green Goddess. I am obviously not wearing green today. I'm wearing like this fuchsia top with black, but I think there's something in here that will work. I do want to play with some of the greens, and I think that I'm going to start up here with this one right here, Tranquil. I definitely want to play with Rebirth, and then maybe I will work into this other shade over here, and possibly play this shade. Looks so pretty. It looks like it has very different shifts to it. We'll see, but these are going to be the first first three that I'll be working with right now. And I'm using a BK Beauty 212 to start applying the first shade. And I'm definitely going to focus this towards the inner corner. I think that's looking really, really nice. There's some good pigment to that, good payoff. And it's just like a really pretty mint green shade. And I think I'm just going to do one look on camera just so I can save my battery. I noticed one of my battery was getting low, so I'll just continue with the right eye and I'll do the left eye off camera. Next, I'm taking Rebirth on a BK Beauty A502 brush. And I'm going to focus this on the outer half of the crease and also on the lid. I think that's really pretty. Those two shades look so good together. You know, you could very easily leave this as an all matte look. We're not doing that because there's way too many beautiful shimmers to play with. But right now I'm going to lay down some of my Moira glitter primer, and then we'll start playing with some of these beautiful shimmers. Using my Rephr 02 Mini, I'm going to focus this shimmer primer mainly on the center of the lid. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Renewal. This looks like it has some purple and green shifts to it. We'll find out right now because everything looks different on top of whatever base color you have below it. And that looks stunning. I'm sure it'll have a little bit of shift maybe in the sunlight. I'm going to add a little bit more of the shade Rebirth just to blend right in here. And I'm also going to go back in with the shade Tranquil. Loving that. Loving it so, so much. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm good there. Actually, I think I'm going to try a little bit of the shade Lush right here. Sisters Around, you might see a tail. And I'm going to apply that towards the inner portion. Ooh, that is really pretty. These are so buttery, creamy, and smooth. All right, now let's do something for the lower lash line. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Nourish right here. And I'm using a BK 210 to apply. And I'm going to add a little bit more. You see how this shade kind of migrated south there? I'm going to add a little bit more of that shade. Picking up a little bit of the shimmer primer and then going back into the shade Lush just for right in here. All right, guys, and I think this look is pretty much complete other than those finishing touches, and I'll complete the left eye off camera. and I will be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with a NYX Epic Smoky eyeliner in the shade Sage Sparks. I like this. I like that it's not very dramatic. It's kind of like on the medium tone side of looks, and it was very easy to create, very easy to apply. I'll do another wear test today, and when I get home from work, I will give you guys my final thoughts on the Green Goddess palette from Bella Beaute Bar. Hope you guys have a great day. Okay guys, this is the 10-hour check-in with the Green Goddess palette from Bella Beaute Bar. I got a little bit of creasing right in here today. Not too sure why. It's not terrible, but I love the way the eye look turned out. It will not deter me from using the palette in the future. I'll just try it with another shimmer primer. I'll try it with my Gourmand Girl shimmer primer. I used the Moira one in today's video, but overall I think it looks great. Minimal fallout, nothing terrible. I love a good green palette, and this palette is going to drop on April the 7th at, I believe, 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order. There's also going to be a couple other items dropping, like highlighters and single shadows, I believe. But definitely stay tuned to the Bella Beaute Bar Instagram for all the details, and let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? Team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye!